Guys, I hope that you will be fine and doing well. In last session I was discussing with you guys regarding the budgeting information, how you can specify the budgeting information, and now this is the time that I will be going to coach you how to specify the targeting information. So just click on the next button and you will be moving towards the audience and segment. So here if I just scroll down, and you will be able to see that some of my predefined targeted audience in front of you, because I already created these audience. But in your case, when you will be navigating and click on the search text box is here, so you can specify any kind of target audience now. So you can see that there is another tab, and just click on the browse one, and after that just click on the parental status. If you just keep navigating here, and the single one, relationship and married, you can select as per your own wish if you would like to add. And in the same way, their education level, and there are so many other parameters Google ads is keep providing you, so you will be able to keep selecting the audience as per you are looking forward for the targeting a specific niche market now. But the main point is that if you are unable to identify some of the predefined target audience, and you want to search and for the custom targeted audience, so how you can create the custom intent audience based on the keyword research now. So here is the option. If I already selected some of the audience, but I'm not more interested in these audience, so I am only interested in the audience for the custom segmentation now. So if you just click at the bottom, there is an option for the custom audience, and here is the tricky part will come. Just click on the custom segmentation. So if you just click on this pencil plus icon, the custom segment, here now the main tricky area will come now. You can specify the name of your segment name here. Let's say if I am interested on the digital marketing services, so this is my segment name, and here there are two options: the people with an interest or purchase intent, or the people who are searching for any specific search term on the Google. So just specify the digital marketing, let's say services in USA, and I want to see that how many people are searching for this particular keyword. So you can see that Google is also keep elaborating me. There are so many other keywords suggesting and recommending, so I can add them, I can delete them, and just see the magic here on the right side. Wow, wonderful. So 1 billion to 5 billion impressions on the weekly basis I can get for this specific keyword now. So in the same way, you will be able to see the gender, what exactly the gender information they are searching, and their ages and their parental status, each and everything you will be able to find, and make your strategy regarding that which keyword you need to target now. So this is the very powerful custom segment area. You will be able to creating as many keywords and specify and targeting the keywords which you are looking forward for your expected customers now. So you also specify the URLs for some of the famous channels if you would like to specify it, or if I would like to add, let's say, more keywords. So just see that the number of impressions weekly are changing now. I click on the save button, and here you have seen that my recently created custom segment is now populated. So if you just keep your mouse here, you will be able to see that weekly impressions are 1 billion to 5 billion now. So in the same way, whenever you would like to add any one of the more custom target audience, so you just navigate here the custom segment plus icon, and will be keep creating more custom segments as per your own desire level. And after that you will be just click on the add targeting. The rest of the information, just review now the keywords we already I specified. First of all, I just need to elaborate the demographics information. So here you can select the male and female, the target age people, either you are targeting for the senior citizen or the adult people. This is totally up to you now. As per your own desire, you can select, you can unselect. And the keyword area, I already discussed with you that we have specified our custom audience there in the shape of keyword, so no need to specify here now. And after that, if you would like to highlight any one of the topics, so you can select the topic as well. So you can see that screen is keep uploading. It will take some few minutes. or sometimes quickly it will be keep appearing, but the topics can be you can select for people and society, or they have some interest in a particular topics now. So I'm just moving towards the next phase now because it's taking time little bit. So in your case this will not be happen. So let me quickly navigate towards the rest of the options as it is now, and I will be keep leaving this section. So let me move forward. So what you need to do now here, just wrap up this section, and after that you just need to move on the rest of the option, the ad targeting. And here the keywords already did now, and the placements, I just want to say that if you know about some of the famous YouTube channels, so you can specify as many YouTube websites and YouTube channel links here now, and the people who have the channels who have the millions of viewers, so you can target them as well. So I'm not targeting and leaving everything on the behalf of Google can manage themselves, but if you would like to have a control in yourself, so I would like to recommend that you need to first of all have a proper research, a famous channel which are related towards your niche market, and then target your competitors channels. This is one of the best strategy I strongly recommend now, but that requires your dedicated effort first, and after that you will be keep moving towards the next options. Click on the next, and here we have done our targeting. The next session I will be letting you know how you can create your compelling ad copy, and very excited to see you for next session. Thank you very much.